A delegation comprising representatives of 14 CSOs has met Manipur Governor Kumar Bhalla this afternoon and urged him to withhold delimitation until the NRC is updated in the state, while also taking measures to initiate talks between the CSOs and the central government. Convener of the 14 CSOs, Shanta Nahakwam, informed this to media persons outside the Lok Bhavan complex following the meeting. Shanta stated that the delegation included himself, Kabui Union Manipur President Dr. Hira Kabui, Amukok President SM Jalal, and representatives from the Kom Union Manipur, Rongmei Union, Mitei Lipun, Arambai Tengol, and Mitei Pangal. Asserting that conducting delimitation is a primary objective for the CSOs and indigenous people, he contended that it must only be executed after proper verification and identification of illegal immigrants. He further noted that the 14 CSOs are asking both the state and central governments to implement a policy that freezes the delimitation exercise from 1971 onwards until the immigrant identification process is complete. The convener added that the delegates also urged the governor to push the centre to hold a political dialogue with the CSOs in the state. Noting that they have not found any active website portal for census self-enumeration, Shanta demanded that the government either constitute a relevant committee during the 15-day online self-enumeration window, or that the governor, chief minister and home minister meet with central leaders to secure a political decision to withhold the census.
Foreigner, illegal immigrants khandoga akhoi Manipur ki delimitation se 1971 ki delimitation da freeze toga leibo 2027 da 2026 for freeze to bane haibo madu ki photo handolaga delimitation se until and unless akhoi mito bhai foreigners illegal immigrants se lokthok pa loitri baudi delimitation se freeze toga atum thamma yana formula ama government of India ga government of Manipur ga yengmina si haibase masi thamjaram bane loina na laiba numit trawani sigi manungda governor na sinbiraga Delhi ki boss me amai ta political boss sing gi appointment lobi ra kanda Delhi da political pursue ma tawba yana ba madu sinbi hoina koi thamjarami na sumaina thamjage
aduga lairiba sigi praja singi apamba miyam gi apamba se masi political gi oiba wari sanaba ma center ki lusing basing ki level da governor amasung Manipur government na daita lobiraga facilitator oibiraga madu sinbiyo Manipur praja gi mihut singa government of India ga phamin bagi tanjama sinbiyo madu gi wafam da khoi thamjabani raujau jing Manipur da lairiba illegal migrants sing amsung influx of migrants sing che masigi sabchaba lekhai ma tadrim gai akhoi kariguma makhal gi census khangde delimitation khangde kariguma ma pawwa tobiba yaroi haibase masigi wafam chi akhoi governor da changi ba delegation team china thamjaban aduga loina na governor na takpirakwa wafam che in consultation with the state government ma akhoi praja singa akhoi government of India ga phamin na ba haibado maduge matang ga thuba matamda madu nongmani sigi manungda sabchaba phirep ama logani aduga loina na akhoi da makha taba information pirakani ha wafam che se sumai thambire hai ta